Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you a solution if you can't find the Splice tool on the CapCut PC. So if you add a main video and also overlay and you want to blend it together using the Splice tool, you probably can't find it on the CapCut PC because the term is not Splice on the CapCut PC, but now it's blend. So you can find just by clicking on the overlay video, and here go to video basic, and here you'll find blend. So you need to first check on this box to turn on the blend feature, and after that here you can see the mode. You can change the one that you want to use. For example, I want to use overlay. Then you can adjust the opacity of the overlay in here, and the result will go like this. Okay, so that's a tips from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.